What do I love about AME Consortia? It's just been, to me, the best value that AME offers.
When you join a consortium, you become part of a group of companies. You open your doors so other people can come to you, and you send your people to other places within a metropolitan area.
I love having a huge network of peers that I can rely on for advice.
I love being part of an AME Consortia because of the relationships primarily.
That's huge in this industry. It's, as they say, it's not what you know, it's who you know.
The relationships that we establish are just priceless. You can't go anywhere and learn lean as quickly as you could and share your war stories and rub elbows with people anywhere else other than in a consortia of this nature.
That connection, I think, is very important.
Companies should become part of AME because you join a community. You join a community of lean leaders who are passionate about wanting to improve the lives of the people that work there.
I like the people. AME people actually care about how businesses operate.
I feed off the energy of the people. The passion is incredible.
Get away from your office, away from your everyday routine, and be able to focus on improvement, which is what AME is all about.